you won't be able to hear me now. It's quite loud, but I'm just going to do some town driving with the new exhaust. So it's Toyosports 42 to 1. Turn the speed of that down, fucking hell, the bands are going. Toyosports 42 to 1 manifold, it's a decap manifold, an M2 centre section, and a spoon N1 back box, genuine spoon as well. So I'm surprised that for the price of it, but quite happy as well. So that's sitting at 30 in 6th. It's pretty quiet, to be honest, it's not bad. The only thing is at a certain point in the revs it has a bit of a rasp to it, especially lower down. It's kind of like 2.5 to 3, which is sort of the point you seem to drive at most of the time in normal driving. And I'm sitting 1800 RPM there in 6th, cruising along beautifully in 30 mile an hour, no problems. Gonna get some racer flybys done as well with a bit of luck, and some acceleration and stuff like that. I don't think it feels faster, I think it feels slower, but I don't know, it's maybe just in my head because it sounds louder. You'd think it'd be faster than it is. Maybe it is faster, I don't know. But, right, so here we go. Oh, hear it there? Just that little point in the revs, and then high up the revs where it really sounds like a Honda. I know it's a Honda, but it really sounds like a Honda. Just down a bit. Totally a Honda, isn't it? Right, another set of lights. Let's see what happens here. Quiet as a mouse on tickover though. Whatever that was next to me took off. Things like a Nissan Qashqai. Gone like. It's only a 30 limit. It must be doing like 70. You ever noticed everywhere you go you follow a French car and they're always going slower than the speed limit? Doesn't matter what French car it is, it's always a French car and it's always slower than the speed limit. This is a Citroen, slower than the speed limit, 26. French cars. Your man. Yeah, rasp.
My God.
No. Still filming?
Yep.
Right, let's just drive off. Ready?
That's it.
Why is the person sat next to me?
Slick said you want chopsticks for that price.
Oh, aye.
Would you like to reply? What do you want to say?
Dickhead.
Your message says dickhead. Ready?
Send.
Okay, it's sent.